Hey everybody, it's been a while. Um, Let me kind of do a quick little video here on a magic command that I use for creating an H1, information about a company, just some meta stuff, and including a meta description. So let me show you what I do, and I'm going to use just a sample page. So I'm not sure how the content's going to turn out in the end. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy here, drop this over here. I'll provide this exact prompt that I use later on. Okay. So I'm going to select all this, and I think I have it set to Control 6, right? So select all and Control 6. And it's processing on the other window, so you don't get to see that. And we'll see what this kicks out in a second. So let's see. That's what it brought in. So here's the entities that I found in there. Company Ethos is written and driven in a passion for digital excellence, and right, kind of cool. Here's a cool title tag for it. Seems to fit. And a meta description. Ta-da! And a decent H1 you can possibly use. So it's something that I use quite often when I'm trying to, after I create an article or I create a summary of something, or give me some better ideas. Sometimes I can take a competitor, grab their information, and I get good H1s that way, and a new idea for metas. And but I also have to make sure that whatever this search is you want to look for, that you're trying to be found for, you need to also make sure that that term is somehow in your meta tag. So keep that in mind when you're going over this, and always double check. Anyhow, just a simple, quick little video, an update. There is more stuff coming. I've been recording stuff for the treasure map and recording a lot of information for ZimmWriter. I'll be giving that to my editor this coming week, and hopefully you'll get some new fun content. Thanks, everybody.